It's okay, I'll get it. Look, entrance. I could live here. Too bad they're not real. Ooh.
What is what? It's fake empanadas. So
We can still eat one just in case. The longest summer living episode. Rent flips. Is that what it's called? Wait, that's nice.
Hey, neighbor.
You can look through your window and check out your house. Honestly, this is pretty nice. Huh?
No, not like that.
Why are you messing it up?
What are you doing?
Look at your fingers in the way.
My move. My living room. Then we start.
49? You say 49? What do you say?
49.
I say 35. Ready? 15. I was close. I was close. And crusty shoes. No thanks. In Ikea, Maya, you must go down every aisle.
You know, I don't mind. I can more bright.
I see. Breakfast in bed, everyone. What's this?
$60. Will that fit for y'all?
Probably not. Oh, oh. Oh shoot, I was trying the wrong way.
Oh, that was funny. You look so confused. What is this, a caution?
I did wrong. I gotta undo this. Is that better? That's what you want from me? Don't do that! No, I took it
Wait.
off. It's fine.
No.
That was from a cartoon dog. That's what he said. Okay.
Wait, you did it right. Wrong goes
You need to
there.
help me out here real quick.
Here, hold on. You're doing it too fast. I need to look at the first.
Please, girly. Watch.
You got all the screws in these.
Bob the Builder who? Oh! Give it to me! Eureka! I've done it. Yeah, I did it! I've done it! I've done it. I never angled what?
No, you need this.
I'm looking at it myself. Please stop touching things.
It's so easy. Here,
Maya,
it's a
I like
puzzle.
reading.
There's no words.
I see. See, there's something different we have to do. Put these two bolts on at the same time.
Then you have to give me one.
Just take it. Take it. And pull your side.
Here, wait. Here, wait. Here, wait. Here, wait.
Just put it on. Stop turning
It
with your
wasn't.
finger.
It wasn't in there.
Maya, how would you stop turning it with your finger and let me handle this? I don't think that's good enough. We're gonna do it. You better shut your mouth. I can can see you with your eyes speaking.
You're scaring me.
How am I scaring you?
Okay, there you go. It's a little crooked.
Oh my gosh, you're right. Just let it be the box. Okay, wait. I'm gonna put a plant on it.